Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I am going to teach about the uh, hamburger. So you can see there is a logo. Okay. So here we have a four links. So here when you look at the mobile responsive, it is it is changed as a hamburger. Hamburger it's look like this. So this is very efficient way. How to do this one? With this very efficient way. So when you there are many users nowadays are surviving the mobile responsive. So you have to when the screen is when the screen when you make the application you have to make according to the screen responsive. This is make responsive. Okay. So what I'm going to do is here you will be able to see here the things, the HTML, the CSS, they link along with the CSS. This is the okay. So what I did here is you can see I'm going to do this application. So the if I'm going to do this from the scratch, it take too much of the time to complete. So that I have done it like this. So here the simple HTML files. Okay. So here the first inside the body, what I did is I have make the navbar. We have okay navbar. What I did here is inside the navbar, simply we have to make it as first one should be this one should be our desktop mode. This is our mobile. Okay, this is a desktop. This is a mobile. Toggle menu, which is nothing but the mobile mode, which is a toggle menu. Okay, so what I did is we have separated as a first one should be the logo. This is a logo class mean which is nothing but the style. We have a heading. Heading mean it's a heading. Okay, this is a heading. It's a mobile. We have first we have to talk about the mobile. Okay, this is the H1. Okay, after that we have to make the unordered list. We have to add four links. Four links. Okay, for 5 links. So what I'm going to do is here I want to make the styles. So let's move into the styles. So already we have linked into the CSS part here. What are the CSS styles? So what I did is first you have to margin 0, padding 0, box sizing, border size, border box. This is the font we have go along with this our website. Okay, sans serif. This is the best font. Okay, so here we have to HTML body. We have write like the same height 100% with 100% height. We have a background color this color. Entire website color should be this blue color. Okay, after that we have to talk about the navbar. Navbar section mean this navbar. So this is we have first what I'm going to do is since professionally we have write like this. We have write can say implemented the flags. This is the latest CSS for flags. Flags display flags mean it is a horizontal view. Okay, direction is horizontal. Align center. Align center mean it is alignment. Make it as center view. Here alignment top to bottom. It make it as center way. It's horizontal view. We have to make it as justify space between mean these two content will be arranged like this way. Okay, so here we have to set it as a box, border box. It's completely it will be arranged. Padding 10 and 30 20 mean it is a 10 mean here it's a 10 left and right, but here we have tried 20. Okay, that's all. That's a 30. Sorry, 30. Okay, so background color this positive position relative height must be 70 pixel mean this height. That's it. Simple. Very simple. Okay. Very simple. After the logo, we have style at logo. So logo style, which is a this color. Okay. After the navbar means this is a navbar. Length, menu list. So flags. This one should be have a gap in between the unordered list. Align center. Okay, so gap in between these elements. We have a gap between 30. So that's it. After that, we have write each an element. We have a list type none mean we don't have a link. We have hide the links. We don't need the links at the time. Okay, so that's the thing that hyperlink also we have to hide that. That's everything. That's the thing you have done. Okay, simply we have done the things. Okay, simple way. So when we are when we transform our website view to mobile responsive, it's look like this way. So how to implement this one? Very simple. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do that this couple of things. Okay, how to do the thing is first what I'm going to do is we have a if the maximum width 100 pixel, 600 pixel. Here right, if it is navbar another list, it goes to absolute. Here we have a top top we have to top. Okay, stop padding right and left. This is all that padding you have set it as. It is a flux direction you have to make it as column. Flux direction column means it is if you click on it, this is a column. Okay, text align center. Text align center. This here the align must be center. It's a background color already there. Gap we have to make it as 0. It's automatically it's get a gap. Okay, if you are right like this. Okay, overflow hidden. We have to overflow. We have to hidden like this. Okay, so here you can see a padding. Now ul mean ul. Here we have set it as a now ul l mean it's a list in between the list we have set the padding 20 mean it align it is take care of it the top bottom right left all thing 20. Okay, that's how we have did it like this. Your transition also we have typed this all 5 seconds. Here it's like this transition. Yeah, this one. Yeah, this is a transition. Yeah. So, okay, this is a transition. If you implement the transition like this, so this everything you have to implement it over here. Go to here. This is this. But implement it over here. Go to here. Put it here. Menu list. Under the menu list is so all the things are done. It will be take care of it. You have to write another list mean ul. You have to write the code over here. Okay, I hope you guys you understood things well. If you after that what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the index. So here we have write it here. We have a simple JavaScript file as well. Here also the without JavaScript it won't work. So write it as a menu list. This is a menu list. We have that menu list. Okay, so menu list is a menu list. You have to call the ID. The menu list style you have to make it as height. You have to make it as 0 pixel. This function if it's a toggle. If you click on that toggle means that it's nothing but that button toggle. If you click on it, what happens is we have to make that visible. Okay, the height should be visible. Okay, and otherwise if it is not clicked, it is 0. If it is clicked, the height should be 300 pixel means 300 pixel here. Get it visible 300. Okay, so that we have make it as a simple query. We have to write it here. Okay, you have to understand this scenario well. This is a simple code we have to write. Okay, right. So okay, we have tried the new section as well as a JavaScript section as well as our CSS files. Very simple. We have to write down it your notebook. So we have a simple one. Okay, thank you for watching.